So you have a number of sheets and you want to bold the header, the first row on every single sheet, instead of having to click on the first row, hit bold, go to the next sheet. We can do that all in AppScript with a little AppScript. Go to extensions, AppScript. Here we'll find function, my function. Let's call this change header to bold. And we're going to write a very simple function. Variable ss equals spreadsheet app dot get active spreadsheet with parentheses variable sheets s equals ss dot get sheets. Now this is a list of every single sheet in the entire workbook, in the entire spreadsheet file, and we're going to execute this bold change on each one. So what we need to do is go sheets dot for each, and inside the parentheses we're going to write a little function, which is sheet with an arrow function and curly brackets. So this means that the variable sheet, we're going to iterate through every single sheet. We're going to say sheet dot get range 1, 1, 1, which is we're going to start at the very first row, the very first column, and we're only going to go one row deep, and then we're going to go sheet dot get max columns with parentheses. And once we get that range, we're going to set font weight. And the font weight is going to be in quotes bold. And you can see the little helper here. So after all of that, before we get to the end of our script, if we didn't get any failures or anything, we want a little message that says get UI alert, you bolded. Or we can say you bold. Now we're going to save everything, Command S, or click the little save project to drive icon next to run. Once we do that, our drop down here has this function available to select. We click run, it will ask us to authorize, but once it does that, it'll execute, and if there's no failures, we haven't typed anything wrong, it's going to have on our sheet this alert, you're bold, okay. And we can see here the row has been bolded. Pretty cool, right? That's all of the script you need to do this. That's it. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.